Good morning everyone. Welcome back to today's online session of grade first. Okay children. So what we have learned in the previous class? Yes, in the last previous classes we have learned long vowel A words, A sound words, long vowel E sound words, long vowel I sound words and long vowel U sound words. Okay children, in today's class we will be learning long vowel O sound words. Okay. Okay children, in today's class we will be learning long vowel O sound words. Okay children, now we are going to learn O sound words. Single O sound. Okay, O words. Single O without any combination in the word gives the long vowel O sound. Okay children, single O, it gives, what is the sound of short vowel O children? The sound of short vowel O is O, only O. And what is the sound of long vowel O? You have to pronounce long vowel O as O. Okay children, how do we pronounce long vowel O children? We pronounce long vowel O as O. Okay, and what is the sound of short vowel O? The sound of short vowel O is O, only O. So this difference you have to remember. Okay children, now we are going to learn O, long vowel O sound words. Okay children, the single O without any combination with it, it gives the long vowel O sound. Okay children, let us see some words for the O words. Okay, so here we have go, G-O, go, S-O. S O N O B O N U S P O T A T O H O T L. Let me write again children. G O S O so N O B O N O U S bonus, potato, hotel, HOTEL, robot, total, TOMATO, PIAMO, BINGO, FOCUS. So these are the O sound words. Okay children, the single O in the word gives the long vowel O sound word. The single O without any combination gives the long vowel O sound. Okay, children, let us see O word. So here we have G-O. Okay, children, what is the sound of G? What is the sound of G, children? G. And what is the sound of long vowel O? G. O. Go. So how do we read it, children? We have to read it as go. G. O. Go. Okay? And what is the sound of S? S. And what is the sound of O? Long vowel O. So. Okay? What is the sound of long vowel O, children? O. So how do we read it? How do we read it, children? So. So. Okay. What is the sound of G? G. And what is the sound of O? Long vowel O. O. So how do we read it? Go. And what is the sound of S? S. And what is the sound of long vowel O? O. So how do we read it? S. O. So. Okay. What is the sound of N, children? What is the sound of N? N. And what is the sound of long vowel O over here? O. So how do we read it? N. O. No. Okay, read along with me. N. O. No. Okay. What is the sound of B? B. And what is the sound of long vowel O over here? O. N. And what is the sound of U, children? Short vowel U. What is the sound of short vowel U? And what is the sound of S? S. B. O. N. S. Bonus. B. O. Bo. N. S. Bonus. Okay, how do we read it? Bonus. Okay, children, how do we read it? Bonus. Repeat after me. Bonus. What is the sound of P? P. And what is the sound of O? Long vowel O here. Po. O. What is the sound of T? T. T. O. Potato. Okay. P. O. T. A. T. O. Potato. Okay, how do we read it? Potato. What is the sound of H? H. And what is the sound of long vowel O, children? O. H. O. Ho. T. What is the sound of T? T. And what is the sound of short vowel E, children? A. And what is the sound of L? L. Hotel. How do we read it? Hotel. Okay, children? H-O-T-A-L. Hotel. Okay, children? Hotel. How do we read it? We read it as hotel. Okay? Now let us see the next word, children. What is the sound of R? What is the sound of R, children? R. And what is the sound of long vowel O? O. R. O. B. O. T. Robot. R. O. B. O. T. Robot. Okay, children, you have to read here long vowel O sound. Okay, so these all are the long vowel O sound words. Okay, R. O. B. O. T. Robot. Okay, look at the next word, children. T. O. T. A. L. Total. children? What is the sound of T? T. What is the sound of long vowel O? O. T. A. L. Total. Okay. Total. T. O. T. A. L. Total. Okay. Now look at the next word. What it says, children? What is the sound of T? T. And what is the sound of long vowel O? O. And what is the sound of M? M. And what is the sound of A here? A. T. O. Tomato. Okay, children, how do we read it? We read it as tomato. Okay, T. O. M. A. T. O. Tomato. Okay, children, read it along with me. T. O. M. A. T. O. Tomato. Okay. P. What is the sound of P, children? Look at the next word. What is the sound of P? P. What is the sound of P, children? P. Okay. What is the sound of P here? P. And here, what is the sound of I? Here we read it as short vowel E sound. Okay. Here we have to read it as short vowel I sound. What is the short vowel I sound, children? E. P. E. A. What is the sound of A here? A. Short vowel A sound. A. And here N. N. And long vowel O. O. Piano. Okay, children, how do we read it? Piano. P. E. A. N. O. Piano. How do we read it? Piano. P. E. A. N. O. Piano. Okay. Now look at the next word. B. Look at the next word, children. What is the sound of B? B here. B. And what is the sound of short vowel E? Short vowel I. E. And what is the sound of N? N. G. O. B. E. N. G. O. Bingo. Okay. B. E. B. N. Bin. B. I. N. Bin. B. E. N. Bin. G. O. Bingo. How do we read it? B. E. N. Bin. G. O. Bingo. Okay, children. Look at the next one. F. What is the sound of F? F. And what is the sound of O? O. Long vowel O. O. K. A. Focus. F. O. K. Here U is giving a short vowel U sound. What is the short vowel U sound, children? A. Okay. F. O. K. A. S. Focus. How do we read it, children? Focus. Okay. Now let us read once again, children. O words. Okay. O. The single O gives the, without any combination, gives the long vowel O sound. Here we have some words. Let us read once again. G. O. Go. S. O. So. Repeat after me, everyone. N. O. No. No. B. O. N. S. Bonus. Okay. Pay attention on the pronunciation, children. B. O. N. S. Bonus. Okay. P. O. T. A. T. O. Potato. Okay. Look at the next word. H. O. T. A. L. hotel. Okay, children, hotel. Robot, robot. Okay, robot, robot. Now look at the next one. Total. Okay, look at the next one. Tomato. Look at the next one. Piano. Bingo. Focus. Okay, children, go. Repeat after me. Read along with me. So, no, bonus, potato, hotel, robot, total, tomato, piano, bingo, focus. Okay, children, so these are the O words, sound O words that gives the long vowel O sound. Okay, children, if you want, you can take the screenshot of it, that later you can write it. Okay, children. Now let us learn OE words. Okay, children. Now let us learn OE words. O-E words. Okay, children. O-E words. The combination of O-E words. The combination of O-E together having consonant between them gives the long vowel O sound. Okay, children, the combination of OE together having consonant between gives the long vowel O sound. Okay, children, the combination of OE together gives the long vowel O sound. OE having the consonant between them. Okay, children, the combination of O and E together gives the long vowel O sound. In the middle, in between O and E, there will be a consonant. Okay, children. Now look at some words for the O-E combination. Okay. So here we have some words for O-E combination words. Okay. So here we have B-O-N-E, bold, C-O-D-E, bold, C-O-N-E, bold, E whole, GLOBE globe, POKE poke, BOEE boat. Let me write all the words, children. Later we will read. Okay. PHONE phone, CLOSE close, SPOKE spoke, GROVE grove. Okay, children. So here we have OE combination words. The letters O and E having the consonant between them gives the long vowel O sound. Okay, children. The combination of O and E together gives the long vowel O sound words. So these are the OE words, children. Okay, children. The combination of O and E having the consonant between them gives the long vowel O sound. Okay, children. What is the long vowel O sound? Yes, we read it as long vowel O as O. Okay, children. Now here we have OE words. Let us read one by one. Okay, so here we have B, O and E. So what is the phonic sound of B, children? What is the phonic sound of B? B. And what is the long vowel O sound, children? O. See here, the combination of O and E having the consonant between them. So here, the combination of O and E having the consonant. So what is the consonant here, children? The consonant is N. So here the combination of O and E gives the long vowel O sound. So how do we read it, children? We have to read it as long vowel O. Okay. You have to remember one rule here. If there are two vowels in same word, we have to read first vowel as speaking vowel and second vowel as silent. Okay, children, here we have two vowels O and E. In all the words we have two vowels O and E. So whenever we are getting two vowels in the same word, we have to read first vowel as speaking vowel, second vowel as silent. We don't have to read it. It will be silent. Okay, children? So here we have to read only O vowel. Yeah, E should be silent. We don't have to read E in these all the words. Okay? First vowel will be speaking. Second one will be totally silent. Only you have to read long vowel O sound. E should be silent. Okay, children. So here we have B, O, N. So we don't have to read E here because E should be silent. Okay. If there are two vowels, first one will be speaking vowel, second one will be silent. So here O and E together give the long vowel O sound. So we have to read these both as long vowel O sound. Okay. B, O, N, bone. Okay. B, O, N, bone. Look at the second word, children. K, O, D. K, O, E should be silent, children. Code. How do we read it? Cord. Okay. Look at the next word. Corn. How do we read it? Corn. Okay, children. Corn. Repeat after me, children. Board, cord, cone. Okay, here we are getting the long vowel O sound. Okay, children. Here we have O and E together, having the consonant between them. So we have to read only long vowel O sound. E should be silent. We don't have to read E. Okay. Look at the next one. Cop. How do we read it? Cop. Dom. Okay. Read along with me. Dom. Doors. Okay, repeat after me, children. Here, O and E gives the long vowel O sound. Okay, children, look at the next one. Hall. What is the sound of H, children? And what is the sound of O here? O. Long vowel O. Hole. Okay. Look at the next word, children. G is blended with L. Okay, what is the sound of G? G. And what is the sound of L? L. Gl. When G is blended with L, it gives the sound of globe. Okay, when G is blended with L, it gives the sound of globe. Okay, now look at the next word. What is the sound of P, children? Pork. Okay, now look at the next word. What is the sound of V? Oat. Now look at the next word. What is the sound of P, children? P. And what is the sound of H? H. Okay. Horn. Okay. When P and H blended together, it gives the sound of H. Okay. Phone. Phone. Okay. Now look at the next word, children. Look at the next word. What is the sound of C? K. And what is the sound of L? L. When C and L blended together, it gives the sound of cl. Okay, children, when C and L blended together, it gives the sound of close. Okay. S also gives the sound of z. Okay, children. So here we have to read S. Sometimes S gives the sound of z. So here we have to read it as z sound. Okay. Close. Okay. Now look at the next one. When S is blended with P, spur. When S is blended with P, it gives the sound of spur. Spoke. spock, spock, spock. Okay, children. Now look at the next one. When G is blended with R, gr, gr, ov, grove, spoke, grove. Okay, children. Have you got it? How to read? Let us read once again. Bone, code. Repeat after me, everyone. Code, cone, co, dome, dose, hole, globe, poke, oat, phone, close, spoke, grove. So these are the OE words which gives the long vowel O sound. Okay, children, now it's time to give you the homework. So your today's homework is, write down the today's homework, children. Write O and OE words. Five times. Okay, children, your today's homework is, you have to write. You have to write O words, okay, children, you have to write O words and OE words 5 times. Okay, children, this is your today's homework. Hope you all have understood today's class, children. Now it's time to say bye-bye to you. Let us meet in the next class with the new topic. Till then, have a good day. Bye-bye, children.